Hi everyone, welcome back to NutriFood Zone. In my last video I had shown the unboxing of my new cast iron cookware, and I had promised to show you how to season cast iron cookware and what its benefits are. So let's start now. Let me first tell you about the benefits of using this cast iron cookware. This cast iron cookware acts as a non-stick when it is properly seasoned. Secondly, cooking in cast iron cookware retains the iron content in your food. Thirdly, cooking food in these cookware is beneficial for pregnant ladies or children, and also to the people who are anemic. Fourthly, studies have shown that continuous usage of cast iron cookware will increase the hemoglobin levels. Now I'll show you how to season this cast iron cookware. Though this cast iron cookware is pre-seasoned, it is recommended for you to follow this process before you start using it. This will give a long life to your cookware, and you will have a non-sticky surface too. First I am going to rinse this in water and scrub it lightly with the diluted dishwashing soap. Now I am repeating the same procedure with this kadai and the skillet also. So rinse it in water and scrub it lightly using a sponge. Now turn on your stove and place your dosa tawa on this on high flame. Once the tawa is nicely heated, reduce the flame to the lowest. Now I am going to put 1 teaspoon of gingerly oil. Take one tissue paper and just fold it like a balloon, and we'll spread this oil all around our dosa tawa. It is important to follow this procedure to have a nice crispy dosas. Just season the handles also and the sides also, so that there is no rust to our cookware. You can see that oil has been absorbed, so I'll be putting another teaspoon of gingerly oil, and I'll be going to season it once again. So let me switch off the flame. Then we'll repeat the same process again, at least for 2 times in the break of couple of hours. So now let me do the same procedure with my kadai and skillet also. I'll be doing both together. Once the kadai and skillet is heated, I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of gingerly oil into it and doing the same procedure as our tawa. Now I'm turning the flame low and putting 1 teaspoon of gingerly oil into it. Now turn off the stove and we'll wait for another couple of hours to season it again. So I have now finished doing the seasoning a couple of times to my dosa tawa, kadai and the skillet. Just looks like non-stick surface it has. Now you can make your crispy dosas on this, and it will just come out very nicely. My next video, I will be showing you how to make crispy dosas on this cast iron tawa. Do try this seasoning process and let me know how it was. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. I post my videos every Wednesday evening, so you can just subscribe to my channel NutriFood Zone and hit the notification bell to get the new videos of my recipes, health facts and food facts. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and bye bye.